Yeah, this is Jimmy, Columbus, Ohio. I guess what we're going to do is we're going to take off this suspension system right here. This is on my lifted two-wheel drive hard body truck. I've been getting ready. It's going to be a short video. Truck's pretty rough. It's got a pretty extreme frame. It's got the shock hoops and everything all ready to go. The axle, spring packs. I don't have Fox shocks on the back yet. I can't do that until I get this Baja kit put on the truck. You look at the camber of these. Now that's at full droop, full bump. Tune in the next video, 470-614-470-2356. This is Jimmy. Thanks for watching.